In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change and highlight your mouse cursor in Windows 11. Whether you're presenting a tutorial, streaming, or just want a cursor that stands out, customizing your mouse pointer can make a huge difference. We'll cover everything from changing the pointer style and size to adding cool effects with third-party tools. You can switch from the standard white cursor to black, invert the colors, or even pick a custom color. Plus, we'll explore how to highlight your cursor and clicks, making it easier for your audience to follow along. On your desktop, go down to the search icon, click on it, and then type in mouse pointer style. Click on the best match option. Here you can adjust the style of your mouse cursor. Right now, it's set to the default white cursor. Here, I can click to change it to a black cursor. I can also invert it, and at the very end, I can choose whatever color I want for my cursor. When I click on this, I see some recommended colors. These tend to look pretty nice, but I can also customize it and choose any color that my heart desires. Down below, I can also adjust the size of my cursor. Whoa, look how big I can make it. For a cursor that large, I would also expect the physical mouse to be equally large. And there you have it. Now you know how to customize your mouse cursor in Windows 11, from changing its style and size to picking out your favorite colors. With these changes, your cursor will be more visible and engaging, making your presentations and tutorials much easier to follow. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Let me know what other tutorials you'd like to see on this channel. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and happy customizing. See you in the next video.